So we have a Ford Transit in. It had some graphics on the back array, which we pulled off. We're going to be doing some new graphics on this. This is a work van for a company, and so it's going to be great advertising.
Okay, but it stops up here, right? Yeah, it stops right at this door. You can make any car
This was something a little different than what we normally do. Xquisite Floors brought us their Ford Transit. As you can see, it's a company work car, but also acts as a moving advertisement. So they gave us a really clean design. They want us to wrap the back of the Transit cool blue purple color combo in the back, sort of like this wave design that kind of reaches towards the top of the van. Has a really nice, simple, soft, peaceful vibe to it. Branding on the sides of the door and on the bottom above the rear wheels, as well as the back as well. Nice and clean and simple. Does the job really well. We also tinted the side two windows, and that'll help keep the interior as comfortable as possible.